How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be putting some badging on my 80 series Land Cruiser. I'm going to put the Heritage Edition badging, and I really like the end result. It looks super clean and cool. So if you want to do this to your 80 series Land Cruiser or whatever Land Cruiser you have, go ahead and do it. This is my personal preference, and also it's going to add like 300 horses, right? So any type of decal or badging always gives you more horsepower. All right, so let's get started with how it's going to look once we're done. So check this out. That's the end result. I personally love it so much. I think it looks so clean, and it just looks really good. The process was super simple. I got a rag and I tossed some alcohol on it, wiped it down, made sure it was nice and dry. Then I got a magnet. I picked this up at Harbor Freight and I kind of rested it over, put some tape on it, and then I put the glue of my choice on there. I chose a silicone glue because in case I mess up, I want to be able to just take it off and not have to worry about there being any type of residue on there. And I'll link all that stuff in the description below. And basically, once I have it in place, I made sure it was nice and level and I stuck it on. And that's about it. And I did the same thing to the other side. Now on the other side, you'll kind of notice I messed up. It's a little slanted, but it still looks fine. And this is the end result. You know, once I let the glue dry for about an hour, I let it just sit there, and then I took off the tape. And you'll notice that there's glue on the top, right? And so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to take that off. So I let it sit for about another hour once the tape was removed, and I went over it very carefully with this little pick. And the reason I chose silicone glue is because with this glue, it's really easy to take off. So I kind of grazed it over it a little bit, and that way I was able to take off every little piece, and this is the end result. But that's it, guys. This is how I turned my 80 series Land Cruiser into a Heritage Edition 80 series Land Cruiser with just 40 bucks. So don't spend that Toyota dealership tax and spend $350 on it. Just get these from eBay. They're pretty cool. They're 3D printed. I personally really like the look. I think it looks very, very clean, and I think it looks awesome. I think the Land Cruiser is really coming together. This side isn't the greatest, but I still really think it looks amazing. I took this idea from Cruising the Land. He has some awesome Land Cruisers, so if you don't know about him, I shout him out occasionally. Check his channel out. He has some really good insight and knowledge, and I liked his idea. He did that to his 200 series. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time and watching this video, but I hope it's helpful, and I hope you learned something. Thank you.